Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. We are duly gathered here today because Fenty did it again. So I have actually been waiting for Fenty to drop something different. So this might not be mind-blowing or groundbreaking, but it's something I've been waiting for quite some time. So Fenty dropped some cream gloss bombs. So we already know Fenty's original gloss bomb is like a sheer formula with like shimmer. This is a little bit different, very similar but different. So this time around they dropped some glosses that are like a bit more pigmented, a bit more cream formula, but yeah, that is what we're here to try today. I want to see how they look, you want to see how they look, so let's get going. So I'm not just gonna try them on, I'm also gonna try them on with a lip liner, and then I'm probably gonna make one lip combo at the end. I didn't get everything because not everything was my personal flavor. So I picked up honey waffles, which seems to be everyone's favorite already. I also picked up two other shades, Fenty Glow, which is like the cream version of the original gloss bomb, the one that was heard around the globe. And I picked up Cookie Jar, which seems to be like the darkest brownie shade. But yeah, enough talking, let's get right into it. So I think I'm gonna go in with Fenty Glow first. So yeah, this is what the box looks like, very similar to the original box. I don't know if there's any difference, I don't think so. I think the original box is like white. So this is what the original Fenty Glow looks like, and this is what the Fenty cream looks like, and this is what they look like side by side. I'll swatch them for you as well. The original Fenty Glow is a bit more on the peachy side, whereas the new cream version is a bit more on the pinky side. It's giving me like if Fenty Glow and Fussy had a baby. So yeah, that is what both Fenty, the original Fenty Glow, and that is the new cream version. And my lips are so dry, I just can't wait to get them on my lips. This smells a little bit different. No, this smells a lot bit different to the original. I can't quite place the scent. It kind of smells like a fruity rosé. This is so pretty. So this isn't like a full coverage to me. This is just like a regular medium coverage gloss, which I actually really like. I like these kind of glosses because these kind of glosses are the ones that you can just throw on and go. And this is definitely a shade that I would throw on and go. It's so pretty. I actually really like it. I feel like it's a perfect gloss to just go in your bag, which also the original Fenty Glow is perfect for just going in your bag, but this gives you a little bit more color than that. So the liner I'm going to be trying everything with is the NYX Urban Cafe Glide On Liner. So this is what the shade Fenty Glow looks like with a liner. It's really pretty. I would definitely wear this combo. This is a very me combo. I remember when I used to be all about my Urban Cafe and a pink lip gloss. I love it. It's very cute. Yeah, I like it. Oh yeah, and these glosses are the same price as the original gloss bombs, so they're £17. I picked mine up from Harvey Nichols, and because I got 3, it went over £50. Yeah, £50, and I got a free stunner lip paint. So you guys are gonna be seeing that in a Christmas makeup video. That's if you guys want a Christmas makeup video, let me know. But yeah, so the next one I'm gonna try is honey waffles, and this is like everyone's favorite shade. It's like a very, I don't know, it's very orangey brown. This is a very interesting color. I don't think I own anything like this. I'm kind of scared of it washing me out. I think it looks really nice, I'm not gonna lie, but at the same time, like, I'm getting used to it because I've never tried anything like this before. I think definitely with a liner I'll love it, but like without a liner I don't hate it, but I'm just like And the smell, I don't know if I prefer this smell to the other smell, because I don't know, it's just making me feel a bit, I don't know, it feels like I'm just smelling wine. So I just threw a little bit of lip liner on top of the gloss, and I really like the way it looks. Like, it's not giving me like a major difference, because I feel like if I put it on before I put the gloss on, I'll be able to see a bit of a difference. But as is, it's not bad. It's cute. It gives me a little bit of definition without it being like a harsh line. You know me and my harsh lines. I just put on a little bit more, and I actually really like it. It's very different, very different. It's giving me like butternut squash, pumpkin vibes, like very, I don't know, very orange, warm brown that's just different to anything I've ever seen before. But yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? I wasn't expecting it to be this orangey. I thought it was going to be a lot more neutral, but I love the shine. The shine is actually the best thing about this gloss. Like, the best thing about Fenty glosses in general. Like, the shine is elite without feeling thick or sticky or heavy. It's just, and I don't mind thick or sticky or heavy, but yeah, this is nice. So the last one we're gonna try is Cookie Jar, and I'm a little bit skeptical about this shade. Like, it's very different to anything I usually wear. Like, when it comes to gloss, I'm very nude and basic, very nude and basic. That's why I didn't go for Fruit Snacks, even though it did look really nice on everyone else. But I just don't see myself grabbing a wine gloss. Like, it's just not me. And obviously I don't want to waste my money. Do you know what, yeah, sometimes I look in the, like, I look inside the small mirror and it looks different. I look inside like the bigger mirror that's like further away and it looks different, and I look inside the viewfinder and it looks very different. But inside the small mirror here, it looks really cute. On the viewfinder, I don't know, it's looking like a bit too orange, and a different kind of orange than the last orange. The last orange was very squash, and this orange is very rust, very terracotta, very brick. Initially when I wanted this, I was expecting it to be a little bit more on the like brown side. I don't hate it, but it's just different. But I feel like I could get into it. I'm going to use the same liner for this one, but I'm actually going to make the effort and take the lip gloss off, put liner on, and then put the lip gloss on again, just so I can get like a bit more definition, because this is a deeper shade. So this is what Cookie Jar looks like with a liner on as well as Cookie Jar, and I don't know why, but this is just not giving me like, it's not bad, but it's just not me. And I don't know if I can see myself getting into it. With Honey Waffles, the longer I had it on, the more I was getting into it. However, with Cookie Jar, I'm just not really feeling it. Not feeling it at all. But you know who will like it? My mum would like it. So it wasn't a waste, but it just wasn't for me. I don't know. I will still try it, and I will still try and get into it. But you know what is never a dub? Like, what doesn't ever miss? The formula. I love the way it's so juicy. Like, that, me and lip gloss, like, we have a special connection. And Fenty really, like, she really knows what she's doing. Like, Rihanna really knows what she's doing when it comes to the gloss. She's giving me everything I need. Like, even as I'm taking the lip gloss off, my lips feel so hydrated. You guys let me know what you think about this shade, because I really, like, I don't see it for me. I don't see it for me. But if you guys like it, maybe I can try and get into new things. Like, I really want to get out of my comfort zone, because I'm very, as much as I can say I try new things, I'm kind of very rigid. Like, I'll try it, but I can't tell you that I'm gonna like it. I'll try it, and I'll probably just go back to where I was, because it's just not giving me, my style. Like, it's giving me very Rachel from Friends, which she looked very cute, but it's not working for me. But honey waffles, that grew on me in like a second. I'm gonna put that back on. Actually, I did say that I was gonna try and do a lip combo, so I'm gonna do one of my like favorite lip combos that I always do, and I'll put honey waffles on top and see how it goes, how it meshes. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe lip pencil in the shade Bar. I got this liner recently and I've been loving it. Like, I don't know what it is about this liner, but it does it for me. It does it for me. Then I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place lipstick in the shade Lady. Me and this combo is till death do us part. Like, I love this combo. I love it. But yeah, now I'm gonna put honey waffles on top and see how it does. Like, do you see how it's like matching my top? Not on purpose, but like, well, I like it. I like it. I'm actually quite easily pleased, but at the same time, if I don't like something, I really don't. But yeah, I really like this. This is really cute. And it just look, I know like to people that just see a nude lip, this probably looks the same as everything, but like if you're subscribed to me, I know that you know, I know that you feel the difference. Like, you guys are the ones that are always messaging me like, what lip combo is this? Look at this lip combo. This is gorgeous. The smell, I don't know how I feel about it. Like, it smells not bad, but like it's kind of like turning my stomach at the same time. Like, it's not a bad smell, but it's just like it's putting me off. But yeah, that is it for today's video. That was me trying them out. My opinions may change. Like, my opinions are always very liable to change. Like, I go through makeup like seasons. Sometimes I'm feeling something, sometimes I'm really not. But one thing that is true for me forever is soft glam and a nude lip. But yeah. So yeah, that is it for today. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, do the works, and I would love to see you in the next one.